Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dibjyoti. So today in this video, I'll be showing you the top 10 benefits of having a .edu mail account. अक्सर ये होता है कि हमारे जो स्कूल्स या कॉलेजेस होते हैं वो हमें पर्सनल ईमेल आईडी देते हैं जिसमें कि लास्ट में .edu या .du या कुछ ac.in ऐसे कुछ डोमेन नेम के साथ आता है. बट क्या आप जानते हो कि उस ईमेल के ज़रिए आप काफ़ी बेनिफिट्स का लाभ उठा सकते हो. सो टुडे इन दिस वीडियो आई विल शो यू द टॉप 10 बेनिफिट्स कि आप कैसे उन बेनिफिट्स का यूज़ कर सकते हो. एंड आई विल शो यू द लाइव डेमो ऑन माई लैपटॉप सो डैट इट बिकम्स क्रिस्प एंड क्लियर कि आपको कैसे उन बेनिफिट्स का लाभ उठाना है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द वीडियो एंड गाइज एंड तक देखना बिकॉज दिस वीडियो विल बी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. The first benefit is unlimited space on Google Drive. Yes guys, unlimited. Although it's up to 3 terabytes, but 3 terabyte will be more than enough for anyone. जैसे कि देख सकते हो यहाँ पे मैंने अपने सारे फोल्डर्स लाइक क्लासरूम के स्टडी मटेरियल या फिर मूवीज़ या म्यूज़िक सारी यहीं पे अपलोड किए हैं जिससे कि मेरे लैपटॉप में स्पेस बचे एंड आई कैन यूज़ दिस गूगल ड्राइव एज ए स्टोरेज पर्पज़. एज यू कैन सी दिस अकाउंट इज़ बिन मैनेज बाई kmc.du.in. इट मीन्स डैट दिस अकाउंट का जो मैनेजर है वो मेरा कॉलेज का अथॉरिटीज़ है. सो वंस दे स्टॉप गिविंग मी एक्सेस आई विल लूज़ एवरीथिंग. इसीलिए मैंने यहाँ पे कोई भी इम्पोर्टेंट फाइल्स अपलोड नहीं किया है और ना ही कोई भी अपना पर्सनल फोल्डर्स. सो बी केयरफुल अबाउट दैट. इसीलिए यही गूगल ड्राइव मैंने अपना बेसिक स्टोरेज पर्पज़ के लिए किया है. सो यू कैन डू द सेम. The second benefit is unlimited storage on Microsoft OneDrive. First, I'll show you my personal email account. So ये रहा मेरा personal OneDrive account, and here are the premium OneDrive, and here it is showing 48 GB is used of 1 TB. Although it is not premium, I'm using a free trial version. I got it from my laptop. So usually it's around 15 GB of free storage you get from OneDrive. Here are all the plans and upgrades. See Microsoft 365 family, and for upgrading your storage you have to pay. But here I will show you my personal जो मेरा edu account है उसके ज़रिए. See here it is not showing any that icon, that star or that diamond icon where I can upgrade. It is unlimited guys. See it is not even showing how much space I have used. And just like Microsoft, I can use all these services for free and for unlimited storage. So इसी तरह आप भी इसी OneDrive को यूज़ कर सकते हो for your basic storage purposes. The second benefit is free of cost Microsoft Office 365. इसके ज़रिए आप Microsoft के services like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote free में यूज़ कर सकते हो. So let's see. I'll show you a live demo example. So let's start with it. By the way, I'll provide all the links in the description, so do check them out. पहले मैंने अपना ईमेल एड्रेस डाल दिया जो कि मेरे स्कूल या फिर कॉलेज से प्रोवाइड किया गया है, एंड मेक श्योर कि उसमें edu या फिर ac.in कुछ इस टाइप के डोमेन नेम के साथ आता हो, एंड देन क्लिक ऑन गेट स्टार्टेड. देन आई विल चूज़ आई एम ए स्टूडेंट ऑप्शन, एंड देन इट इज़ शोइंग यू हैव एन अकाउंट विद अस. सी So I will just sign in, and here I have got the Office 365 education for free. I can use now all the Microsoft services for free. Otherwise you have to pay premium for all these services. How cool is that? एंड ये रहे सारे ऐप्स जो मैं फ्री में यूज़ कर सकता हूँ लाइक आउटलुक, वन ड्राइव, वर्ड, एक्सेल, SharePoint and much more. And these will come really handy and useful while making assignments. So do check this out and make sure you avail this benefit. The third benefit is free premium service of Canva. जिनको कैनवा नहीं पता, मैं उन्हें ये बता देना चाहता हूँ कि कैनवा इज़ बेसिकली ए वेबसाइट ऑन विच यू कैन क्रिएट अमेजिंग ब्यूटीफुल इलस्ट्रेशंस और ग्राफिक डिज़ाइंस। मेरे वीडियो में जितने भी थंबनेल्स आप देख रहे हो वो मैंने कैनवा पे ही क्रिएट किया है। एंड विथ योर EDU मेल अकाउंट यू कैन गेट द प्रीमियम सर्विस ऑफ कैनवा फॉर 1 ईयर फॉर फ्री। मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक डाल दूंगा, आप उस डिस्क्रिप्शन में जाके अपना कैनवा का अकाउंट बना के आप प्रीमियम सर्विस ले सकते हो। एंड फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल आपको इसी लिंक पे जाना है, कैनवा फॉर एजुकेशन, एंड क्लिक ऑन दैट, एंड देन देयर विल बी एक ऑप्शन for sign up. So you need to sign up with your EDU account, not your personal email account. And after signing, they will verify your details and you will be good to go. आपको एक एग्जांपल दिखा देता हूँ कि एक पोस्टर बनाते हैं। Let's create this. And then I will choose any of the template. So here I will choose this one. एंड यहाँ पे आप कोई भी एलिमेंट डाल के उसे चेंज कर सकते हो अपने हिसाब से। सो हेयर आई विल लाइक टू ऐड ए स्टार एलिमेंट, सो लेट्स ऐड इट, एंड देन आई विल गो टू ग्राफिक्स, एंड देन दिस इज शोइंग प्रो। गाइस सी, आई कैन यूज दिस प्रो graphic designs for free, otherwise you won't have access to these pro elements. So if you are into graphic designing or want to make beautiful thumbnails or any of those sorts for assignment or project purposes, then do make an account on Canva. The next benefit is GitHub Student Pack. जिनको GitHub नहीं पता, मैं उन्हें शॉर्ट में बता देना चाहता हूँ कि दिस इज़ अ कम्युनिटी फॉर ऑल द कोडर्स ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड। यहाँ पे आप अपनी कोडिंग सीख सकते हो या फिर किसी के साथ शेयर भी कर सकते हो। सो बेसिकली इट इज़ अ लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर ऑल द कोडर्स। GitHub offers many benefits of having a student EDU mail account. So let's see how to avail those benefits. पहले आपको एक्सप्लोर में जाना है and then click on GitHub Education. It will load and see here it is showing GitHub Student Developer Pack. You need to click on it and then here are all the offers you can see. See here it is showing Canva free 12-month of subscription for Pro service, and along with Canva there are multiple benefits which you can avail. I'll show them one by one so that you can see yourself. Now to get this student developer pack, click on this get benefits, and then it will ask you to sign in or sign up. If you have an account, then sign in, or else then make a new account. I've already applied and see here it is showing approved. So you need to wait for around 2 to 3 days for GitHub to verify your student details, and it will give you access to the student developer pack, जिससे कि आप काफ़ी benefits का लाभ उठा सकते हो। So this was GitHub. So let's move on to the next one. The next benefit is Spotify Premium account. अब गाने सुनने किसको नहीं पसंद, right? So to avoid those annoying ads from Spotify, you can get the premium Spotify for student for 1 year at 66 rupees per month. So let's see how to get this premium. First click on it and then sign up with your EDU mail account. Then it will ask you to enroll yourself as a student and upload the necessary details like your result or your enrollment letter for verification purpose. So make sure you fill all the details carefully and upload the document. So for my document verification, I uploaded my results PDF for my 3rd semester, and after a while they verified my details and they have approved my premium plan. After verification, now I can use the premium Spotify for 66 rupees per month. So the next benefit is Apple Music. It is also a great platform to listen to music. Also, it is way cheaper than Spotify. It will cost with 49 rupees per month with the help of a student EDU account. Also, with the help of an EDU account, you can purchase the Apple products at a way lot cheaper price. Currently, if you buy a Mac or an iPad, then you can get free AirPods. I've made a dedicated video. I'll put the link in the description so you can check them out. Now let's move on to the next benefit. The next benefit is Unidays. Through Unidays, you can get many discounts and offers on various brands. I've already verified my account last year to purchase my own iPad, and I got a discount of close to 10,000 off on my iPad Air 4. So it is a great way to get discounts from various different brands. So do check this out. And here you can see many brands like Skillshare, where you can get 1 month free trial, and there are many more. And these brands keep on updating their offers, so new offer comes regularly, so make sure you check this out. The next benefit is Adobe Creative Cloud. With the help of Creative Cloud, you can get up to 60% off for 1 year for all its Adobe softwares like Premiere Pro, Illustrator, Photoshop and much more. So if you are into designing or graphic designing stuff, then make sure you avail this benefit. The next benefit is Evernote. जिनको Evernote के बारे में नहीं पता, मैं बता देना चाहता हूँ कि Evernote बेसिकली आपके नोट टेकिंग पर्पस के लिए बना हुआ है. यहाँ पे आप अपने नोट्स या कोई भी डॉक्यूमेंट फॉर्मेटिंग करना चाहते हो तो यहाँ पे कर सकते हो. एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ एन EDU मेल अकाउंट यू कैन गेट अप टू 50% ऑफ फॉर Evernote पर्सनल प्लान फॉर फुल 1 year. I don't use Evernote, I use Notion. So let's see Notion. Here it is, Notion. So basically Notion is also your note taking application where you can make your own notes, but it is way useful than Evernote from my own perspective. It gives you much more flexibility in how you want to organize your notes. There are many templates which you can use to get more productive in your life. I personally use it for all my note taking purposes. So let's see how you can get the pro version for Notion for free. See, here it is showing personal pro plans are free for students and education. So you need to click on this blue button, get free education plan. And here you need to sign up with your EDU mail account. And see guys, here I have signed in with the EDU mail account, and it is showing the personal plan is set to $0 per month, and it will renew each month, but I will not be charged. So I can use the premium pro version for free for my entire life. How cool is that? So make sure you sign up with your EDU mail account in Notion. By the way, if you want me to make a dedicated video on Notion on how I use it, then do let me know in the comments. I will make one. तो ये थे कुछ top 10 benefits which you can get with the help of an EDU mail account. बाय द वे आई लाइक टू से, अगर आप कोई भी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स डिवाइसेस खरीदना चाहते हो लाइक लैपटॉप, मोबाइल फ़ोन्स फ्रॉम सैमसंग, शाओमी और रियलमी, then make sure to check them whether they provide the student discount, and most likely brands like Samsung, Dell, HP, they will provide student offers. So whenever you are buying anything online, make sure you check whether you are getting the student discount or not. I hope you guys liked today's video. I know the video stretched bit long, but I think it was useful. So if you like this video, then do subscribe to this channel and do comment for any queries. Sorry guys, I forgot to mention one thing, that जिनके पास EDU mail account नहीं है, then there are many websites accounts where you can get free EDU mail, but I will suggest you not to make those accounts because it can be very harmful for your own digital safety, and you might lose your personal info, password and credit card information and much more. Don't make those accounts just for the sake of getting these benefits. You can request to your college or school authorities to provide one, and if they provide, then well, it's very good, and if they don't, then yeah, can't help it. So that's just a basic suggestion. Now it's up to you. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay happy. Bye bye.